This is the tastiest chicken and potato recipe you can make at home. In a bowl, add 3 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, parsley to taste, 250 grams of cream. Mix everything well and set aside. Take the opportunity to let me know which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Chop an onion. If you want to keep receiving delicious recipes every day, don't forget to interact with this video. Add a drizzle of olive oil to a baking dish. Place the onion on the baking sheet. Meanwhile, I'll cut 5 potatoes into slices. This recipe will surprise you and your family. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. Place the potatoes on the baking sheet. Add salt to taste, pepper to taste, a drizzle of olive oil. Now I'm going to cut 2 chicken breast fillets into cubes. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 2 crushed garlic cloves, Calabrian pepper to taste. Spread these spices very well all over the chicken. I'm going to take this chicken to the roasting pan. Now we can add the sauce we've prepared. This chicken and potatoes recipe is very delicious. Your family will love this recipe. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 55 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to cut up a tomato. Let me know which chicken recipe you'd like to see here. I'd love to know. Remove from the oven and add 120 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Add the tomatoes. Bake again at 200 degrees for just 10 minutes. And our chicken and potatoes recipe is ready. The most delicious I've ever prepared. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10. Your opinion is very important. I'm going to enjoy this delicious chicken recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.